Hey friends, Coast to Chris here. So, there's no doubt that climate change and global warming, whatever you want to call it, is seriously messing with our weather. And even when I was growing up in the early 2000s, the weathermen were the butt of a joke almost. It seemed like every day, if they said it was going to be sunny, it would rain, and if they said it was raining, it was going to be snowing that day. And they just it was never as accurate as we wanted it to be. So there's a company, Acu Rite, that makes a product. They make individual home weather stations, and to me, when I first heard about that, it didn't really mean a lot. I was like, oh, home weather station, what does that mean? So I looked it up, and I'm at a place where they have some installed, and I want to show you them because they are fantastic. And what this does, what it allows you to do, is to really get accurate weather for you. And a lot of people, they may not really care. You know, you can find your weather for free on your weather app for your town, but if you want to get accurate weather and have it easily accessible on your phone, what's great about them is they have a display and you can connect it with your phone. You could be away from home and know exactly what the weather is at your home, not at some high level town. The town temperature is this today in whatever town. At your home, the wind, the humidity, the temperature, the wind direction. And so the weather station I'm going to show you in just a sec is a 5-in-1. And let me just remember what it covers real quick. It covers temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and rain, of course. And then it gives you data, and it's your own weather station. You can accumulate your own data to say, okay, this year it was X amount of rain. Next year it's X amount of rain. What's the difference? You can really own your own, weather data instead of relying on other people. This may not be for everybody, and I get that, but I kind of think it's a little cool to have your own weather station effectively. So let's go take a look at it. Come on. Okay, so here we are. This is the Acu Rite Pro Plus 5-in-1 weather station. And again, we just covered the 5 that it goes over, and you can see how it does it. Here you have these little scoops that tell you the wind speed. You have this sort of tiller down here. It tells you the wind direction. What's awesome about this is, one, it has really easy setup. 2, it's durable, so you can just leave it out forever. It powers itself with 2 solar panels up there that recharge the battery. The battery has a 2-year life, so you really just sit it out here and then you forget about it. There's a cup in here that collects rainwater. It automatically drains it out of the bottom, and what it does is it'll let you know how much rainwater, how much precipitation you've got right here. And it has a distance of 330 feet to the control panel, and we'll go over the control panel in just a second. But that's a big distance. You can really put this wherever you want, out in the field. Especially if you're in any type of agriculture. This is, or even just horticulture, a little bit of agriculture. It's a great tool. So it's really cool. It lets everybody know that you take your weather seriously and you want to have accurate data. So again, 5-in-1. It looks cool. It's durable, and it's easy to set up, and it powers itself. And it stores that any time of day you're gonna have powered. And it also here you can see, stick it in the ground. It comes with this pole. It's about 6 feet 5 inches up in the air, and what was I going to say? 18 seconds. So it takes 18 seconds. Every 18 seconds it transmits data to the control panel and to the app on your phone that you get with this. So really cool. Let's go take a look at the control panel and see what that display is like. All right, so here we are. We're taking a look at the dashboard for the Acu Rite Pro Plus 5-in-1 weather station. And you can see it's about 6 inches by 6 inches. It looks really slick and it looks professional. It's really intuitive to use. You can see it's kind of a hot day out here, and yeah, it gives you past data as well. You can go through and it's very adjustable to give you the data that you find is important. So the date, the time, those are not accurate, and the owner of this needs to fix that. But you know what was important to them was the temperature, really the temperature and the wind. So I highly recommend you get one of these. They are fantastic tools, especially if you're in any sort of agriculture or you need to know, you know, what the temperature is more accurately than relying on the weather station. So I hope you found this informative, and I hope you stay classy and have a great day. Coast to Chris out.